All right, here we are going to be adding a page to our Shopify store. To do that, we go to Online Store and then Pages. And here you can see I have some Terms of Service policy pages, but right now I want to create a subscription page. And we are going to call it we'll just call it God Squad. Join the God Squad. Okay. So we have it created, and this is just for our navigation right here. We are going to actually create and edit this page in our themes. Okay. So what I want to do is create another item up here that says God Squad or join us, something like that. I think I'm going to put it down here as well. So navigation, we're going to do main menu. You know what? For this one, I'm just going to do it on the footer. I don't think we want to... I don't like having a ton of items. Okay. We'll save, and then we'll be able to see it down here. Oops, I gotta click on the website first. Okay. Join the God Squad. So, right now there is nothing. Okay. So we're going to customize. Go to our pages here. Okay, and all I want here is just a very simple newsletter page. Let's see. You gotta edit it here. Stay up to date. Join our newsletter. Okay. Okay, so my video got cut off, but right now we are in the middle of creating our newsletter. We can add some kind of picture or video at the bottom here. I think that would look nice. The website I was going to show you that has a ton of really great free content for either filler images or, whatever you're looking for. Can be found here at Pixels. We're going to do something for the newsletter page, so let's just see what they have here. I think that I like a vertical image. Sorry, horizontal. Horizontal images I like for the website. We'll do that one. Just download it. It'll download. There it goes. So Going to save it. Newsletter pick, and then we're going to go back here to our files. Actually, we're going to just import it directly from here. So you can either go import images and videos in your files in the settings section in your Shopify store, or you can just go straight here. So what if we did a slideshow? That might be cool. No, I don't like that feel. Sometimes you just gotta add it and see how you like it. Right now, I want collage. Yeah, this will be good because then they can see some product as well as you can just take a screenshot and then shoot. Recent screenshot. So yeah, when you do download it from that website, it does make it a high quality image, and sometimes Shopify is weird when you're uploading high pixel images because it can slow down the website if there's a ton of them. So it's easier to just take a screenshot. Then I'm going to add in the slogan of the website, which is keeping Jesus cool. Okay, and now we're going to add product, select product. Let's do iPod case and kids hoodie. Oops. Select. And then we're going to do a collection, which is going to be accessories. Okay. So save. I really like the black and white, the high contrast. I think that looks nice. Okay. All right, we're going to save this and take a look at it on the website. Join the God Squad. And here we go. So that is how you create a new newsletter page. And if you have any questions or any ideas, please leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.